Salt and Shadow's final part. Keisha never leave Laddie yard that morning. She stumbled down the road, crying, salt on her skin, but the salt never wash away the darkness, it wake it up. From that day, people swear they see her talking to herself, begging somebody who is not there, dragging her left foot like it was heavy, like something pulling her. She stopped combing her hair. She doesn't bathe, flies follow her. One night a man driving past Johnson Pen see Keisha half naked in a cane field, digging, laughing, and shouting.
Warm but with peace. Give about me soul. Me say me never mean for her car. Just jealous.
Next morning, she collapsed in front of the same cook shop she mash up, foaming from the mouth, eyes rolled over. When Laddie stepped out and see her, she don't say a word. She just dropped to grains of salt by the doorway and turned back inside her yard. But later that night, Keisha vanished. Only sign was a trail of dragged foot marks heading towards the bush. People started to talk again.
Keisha not dead, but she not alive either. Them say she live in a